Alright, good day mga kakusina. Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. I'm Chef Herbert and today po samahan niyo po kami. Napupunta po kami ngayon sa isang restaurant, sa isang island na sigurado magugustuhan niyo. It's a Scandinavian food and it will take us from the city center like 15 minutes total, but sasakay po tayo ng ferry para po makita nyo ang ganda ng island na yon sa vlog na to. So alright mga kakusina, so itong ferry na to papunta ito sa Rabinto Lasari. So isa to yun sa restaurant ng under ANS, kapatid po niya ng same. And then from that pier, pupunta po tayo doon sa island. It's like a 2 minutes lang na ferry travel, no? So napakaganda, laylaya. Ayan. Doon tayo pupunta at from there walking distance na lang papunta sa restaurant. Alright, let's go. All aboard. Training yata siya. So alright guys, dire-diretso tayo sa pagbablog. So this is the Sari Island and Sari Restaurant. So makikita nyo dyan, meron siyang tawag dito, seawall, and made by the government of Helsinki. Yung mga jet ski, may mga yate. Yeah. Then yun po yung restaurant, but before that pupunta tayo dito sa may area na to. Actually pwede pumunta dyan. Yeah. Then makikita nyo yung mga ibang migratory birds nandun po, kasi maganda dito kapag sunny. But today mga kakusina is like not so sunny. It's a gloomy day. In just like 30 minutes baka bumaksak na yung ulan, kaya papasok na tayo ngayon sa restaurant and magla-lunch tayo doon at makita nyo yung ganda ng Sari Restaurant dito sa Helsinki, Finland. Ayun na, umuulan na eh. Yo.
Alcohol ito. Yes, of course.
Alright guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Sari Rabintola. Then we ordered some appetizers. Of course, medyo umuulan po ngayon sa labas, as you can see. And then medyo umorder kami ng mga soup. Ayan. So umuulan talaga sa labas. So buti na lang nakapasok kami bago umulan. So we ordered like soups and main courses na talagang really best selling dito sa restaurant na to.
The beer. Here you go.
Thank Cute. Ginger beer.
Yes.
That's my beer. It's non-alcoholic.
Yes, here you go.
Thank you.
And 7 up. Yeah.
Well, what do you got, Jay?
Apple dazzle.
Yes, here you go.
Thank you.
Then this restaurant po is open only on summer. Then kapag lumamig na around the end of September, they close it down kasi po winter starts then. So lahat po ito is covered with yellow and hindi po napupuntahan ng mga tao. And then after winter, so summertime, autumn, magbubukas na ulit siya. Or under ANS Restaurant. So kapatid siya ng Same, ng Saristo, ng Sawu, ng Saslik, ng Savota. Yes.
Yes, Brad.
Thank you.
Ito, crystal soup.
Alright guys, for appetizers kasi medyo malamig ngayon, so umorder kami ni Mrs. ng salmon soup or soup of the day. So salmon soup is like traditional po talaga dito sa Finland. So it's a creamy broth yung pinili namin. It goes with potato and of course cream and dill. Yeah. Very nice po. Ooh. Sarap, creamy. Sarap.
Parang yung kinapay.
Isa pa. Oh, sarap. Sakto-sakto, lalo na pagtagulan. The best. Special mayonnaise. Oh. Ate, smiling ka na naman ha. Fish and chips ka rin pala. Very good.
And here's for you.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, no, you have a baby salmon, smoked salmon
And
with
this,
baby potatoes. Oh,
I'm a kid.
sarap.
I'm a real kid.
For kids. And sa akin naman po is like smoked salmon with baby potatoes and mushroom sauce with asparagus. Wow. Grabe, sarap. So, okay mga kakusina. Kakain tayo ngayon ng ating main course na. So, salmon with mushroom sauce. Creamy and mushroom. Next naman natin is yung baby potatoes nila. Very good. Pasado sa lasa. Then, ito po yung smoked salmon nila. Tikman natin.
Is it good?
Really good. Really smoky. Delicious. Then, merong grilled asparagus. Madami pong mga military na helicopter ngayon, maaligid. At continue tayo sa pagkain. Of course, hindi mawawala ang ating beer. House beer ng Sari. Ito po yung dessert nila dito sa Rabinto Lasari. Very cute and nice plate.
Come on, later na.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Fantastic. Oh, lala. May coffee pa si mami ha. Meron ha. Vanilla ice cream. Delicious.
What are you eating?
Hindi ko masarap siya yun.
Then meron siyang blueberry, then strawberry, then edible fruits and flour. Fresh. Tikman natin nila. 10 out of 10. The best dessert ever.
Ano sa?
Tikman natin guys yung kay Mira, yung manager. Yun. This is the Finnish pancake with mixed berries. Ang sarap. Tikman natin. Sarap gabi. Tikman natin yung sorbet. Good. Guys, ito yung ferry na nagtra-transport from that mainland going to this island. Yeah. Bye, Sari. Once again guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoy, and if you like it, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And here from Sari Rabintola in Helsinki, Finland, Herbert Sophia, and see you in my next vlog.